Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a little video telling you guys how I came across the one and only Musical.ly, the one, the only God app of the 21st century. That shit is literally lit. As you can see here, I was, minding my own business, right? I come across, like, top 10 apps to get on YouTube, and I'm looking at it, right? And I came across a few names that just got me hooked. You got Jacob Sartorius, Baby Ariel, Lauren Beach, Christian Hancher, people like that. Those amazing people, dude. I never. This app is. It's so beautiful, dude. It's so beautiful, okay? They're so pretty, okay? They're so beautiful. Okay, so this is what I started to do. I started looking more into it, and I finally decided, hey, what does it take to be a Musical.ly god of godness? So this is basically what you gotta do, is you gotta learn your dab. You gotta have a beat, just a professional fucking dabber, okay? You're gonna have to get them good whips. You're gonna have to use your sexy body, as they say, and pretty much stuff like that. And yeah, you gotta get your thrusts going. As you can see, I'm gonna demonstrate. So then, after enough research, I was like, okay, I think it's time. I think I am ready. I grab my energy shot, and I decide, alright, it's time. Here we go. This is our chance to be the next Musical.ly star of all fucking time.
Gotta take a Uber. She giving good brain, boy. I swear she had a tutor. Yeah. Say, yo, man, I see, but I swear that I'm cooler. I'll be out of this world. Got me sitting on Pluto, bad bitch. Off IG, yeah, she look like a 10.
Hey guys, I did hope you guys enjoyed that little video of my Musical.ly life. I do have a Musical.ly though, on all real talk, blah 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 and shit. So I am going to be leaving the links to all my things in the description below. So if you guys do want to hit that, go down there, subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. Shit's lit up in this channel. And yeah.